Welcome to the in front of me Oukitel OKT1, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first launch the Play Store application, because we should get the Green Apple keyboard app. So here into the search pool, enter the Green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. So tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. Now just here near the Green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap OK, again OK, and go back. After that, tap to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now we can see that the process is finished. So let's go for example into the app search, and now we can see the look of our new device keyboard, and you can see that this keyboard is also close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.